Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard that I am providing very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off for myself, and it's a multitasking is a wisdom. With that said, I will quickly read through the civil justice. So, as of April 12th of 2021, in true Christianity alone, nation must never have child marriage, Holocaust, Nazism, hell. So, what is the note? Vatican Antichrist absolute monarchs Pope Francis created child marriage, Holocaust, Nazism, hell mandate is a death penalty crime of Vatican Roman province Jesuits. So, Roman Catholic Christianity leader Pope Francis teens created child marriage is proved. So, child marriage, Holocaust, Nazism, hell mandate created by Pope Francis is proved. USA nation, 50 states of USA provided Antichrist Pope Francis created child marriage, Holocaust, Nazism, and it is a deadliest crime. And why prostitute Pope Francis, France lead, and Sicily Archbishop, co-princes of Andorra gave Vatican abuse law handbook to USA and 50 states lawmakers, as in criminal judges, Supreme Court judges, civil law judges, Supreme Court judges, criminal lawyers, criminal civil lawyers, Republican or Democrat Senate, GOP, Congress, House of Representatives, Speaker, mayors, governors, presidents, vice presidents provided child marriage, Holocaust, Nazism, tax fraud, crime, and here is already 2021. Did education fail humanity? Did humanity fail education? I wear the prayer pros approved root cause for any or all of the USA government errors, and I want civil justice and holy Bible guidelines only. So that is Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now, and I wear the prayer pros must be the Vatican leader now. 46th president lawyer Democrat Joe Biden of USA must resign now, and I native Indian tribe true owner of USA must be the interim leader of USA now. At fault and found guilty of crimes of Vatican IRS agency in all 50 states of USA must be sealed and shut down in next 1 second for classified human endangerment and tax fraud crime, and I alone can bail out IRS, Treasury, Federal Reserve Agency of USA. Nobody can. USA must pay me tax free $1,500,000 trillion to IM in next 1 second, and state of Wisconsin must pay tax free $500 billion to IM, and USA IRS agency per state times 50 states is 2000 must pay tax free $2,500 billion to IM. I wear the prayer pros approved Medicare of USA in all 50 states is wrong, and it is crime of at fault and found guilty of USA. So USA must pay me salary of at least $1 trillion for I displayed the Medicare, 500 years of scandal, 2019 of scandal, 2020 scandal, 2021 scandal of Department of Health Services to USA. What is the homework assignment to you all? Do you all know for your birthrights, nations worldwide as of April 12th of 2021 must never have child marriage, Holocaust, Nazism, hell mandate, yes or no? Do you all know because Pope Francis created child marriage, all nations should provide 100% tax-free national benefits to any population types, yes or no? And yes, Antichrist Pope Francis, God of USA, Holy Highness, never knows any type of population must get 100% free national benefits worldwide is a proof. Pope Francis never Christian and is a deadliest Islam, Judaism, Zionism, communism, paganism, and wild human endangerment, and holy marriage law destroyer, and divorcial creator, and national operation destroyer, and Pope Francis must resign now. Shh. We are working on that be silence rehabs mode. I want 7.9 plus billions of humans to just hide behind me, okay? Stay calm. And yes, I am the Justice Lady statue in the court of law. Worldwide came alive. I am burning Vatican in ashes. Let all the nations watch, as clearly written in Revelation 18th chapter in Holy Bible. So civil justice as of April 12th of 2021 for Antichrist Pope Francis never knows all nations, governments must never have child marriage, Holocaust, hell, and it is a proof why Pope Francis' pollution to human kingdom and Vatican created child marriage, deformity type mandate, types, tax fraud, and Pope Francis must resign now. And I wear the prayer pro se should be the Vatican leader now with civil justice served as in Holy Bible guidelines only. And the final generalized civil justice is for I wear the prayer pro se, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and prove USA is Tamil Nadu, and I wear the prayer pro se have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now with civil justice served. And for I wear the prayer pro se displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs, and also displayed Pope Francis only created child marriage, Holocaust, Nazism. I wear the prayer pro se for civil justice and Holy Bible guidelines. I wear the prayer pro se want USA, United States of America, to rename Lord Ribbon Building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name. Wear the prayer is civil justice served. And I wear the prayer pro se to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I wear the prayer pro se become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations and Supreme Chief Family Law Judge and Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I wear the prayer pro se to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I wear the prayer pro se to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India and must get dual citizenship of US and India now is civil justice served. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now, my dear fellow mankind. Have a good day.